Hi there, everybody. Welcome back again today to another video. This is Marybeth Angelelli, and recently I have been getting a lot of inquiries about this Craigslist Auto Reply Software. So I just decided to come in here and create a short updated video to share with you and show you how simple this is, and you can use this to post up an ad on Craigslist for any opportunity of your choice for only $5. Not only is it really easy, but it's very cost efficient. And these ads stick for a period of 30 days, and they produce and generate a really great ROI, return on your investment. Not to mention, this is a place where there are millions upon millions of users on Craigslist, and this is a great way to increase your lead flow and generate leads for the business of your choice, especially right now, folks. We are well into August 2023. This is the busy season. Anybody who is in this home-based business industry or has been for any length of time knows that once August rolls around, all the way from now till the end of the year, most opportune time of year to take advantage of advertising your home-based business, to be able to increase your profits and enjoy a great busy season. Okay, so with that being said, folks, we've got this ad up here, earn $500 for selling Craigslist. We show you exactly how to post these. Very, very easy. We even give you the ad copy that you can use, okay, along with the images. So it's very, very simple, okay? So you don't have to worry about creating your ads. They're already done for you. All you have to do is post them up, okay? There's a specific call to action within these ads here. Please hit reply to this, and we will send you a website with complete details immediately. And I have my name here, okay? So a simple call to action. There's the ad, and all you would do is, if you're interested in getting the information, you just simply click reply, and then you click on email, and then you click on whatever your provider is, and then you just basically designate that you want more information, and you just put, please send me more information, okay? And what is going to happen is once you push the send, you are going to be receiving a Craigslist auto reply email that is set up through my system and generated from my Craigslist auto responder. So the beauty of this system is not only is it simple to get ads up, but you never have to manually respond to those individuals seeking out information from your Craigslist posts. It automates the process for you, folks. This amazing tool. It's a Craigslist auto reply AI software. It works like a charm, okay? So that's the way it's set up, folks. Okay, we go here once again. Okay, there's the ad right there. Earn $500 for reselling Craigslist software, because you can resell this and earn $500. Plus, you can use this software to help you to advertise any opportunity of your choice. So it's has multiple benefits to it, no doubt. Okay, so there's the ad, there's the image. We give you everything that you're going to need. Very simple. Someone goes here, wants more information. They click reply, they click on their email provider, and then they request the information and they push the send button. Okay, so now allow me to bring you inside of my back office and show you the setup process, which is very simple. And you can be set up literally within minutes. Okay, so this is the site. Okay, let me show you this first, though. Craigslist.org. This is where you're going to go. You're going to create yourself a free account, okay? And then you will be able to start posting, all right? And we've been making really good utilization out of this specific category right here called services. And we post up in small biz ads. So I just wanted to share that little bit of valuable information with you. Very easy. $5 an ad, folks. And it works really, really well. Okay? So we're going to go into the back office of Get Fearless Freedom, and we're going to log in. All right. And this is a very easy to navigate, very user-friendly back office. Okay? and you'll log in with your assigned username and password. There is the back office. And right under here, under the mastery level, okay, this is a $500 product purchase with a boatload of training, and you can resell it and earn 100% commissions of $500 over and over again. And you can create yourself some amazing unlimited lead capture pages, up to 5 bridge pages, and use it for whatever opportunity you desire, okay? But within the mastery level, okay, there it is, folks, Craigslist Auto Responder. So once you become a member and you pay, you'll have full access to your back office. Everything will be unlocked and opened up for you. And then all you will simply do once you click on that, okay, once you click on Craigslist Auto Responder, this is going to pull. And all you do is you just follow the simple instructions. There's a video step-by-step right here to the Craigslist follow-up system. How to use Craigslist for inexpensive marketing. You'll want to watch this video to make full use of Craigslist as a marketing avenue that really works. Now, folks, I've been posting on Craigslist for a really long time, and it's one of my primary lead generation methods. It works very, very well. Like anything, you want and need to be consistent, because consistency is the key to getting the best results possible, okay? And this essentially is lead generation that is helping you to build your email list. And I know many of you who have been around know the famous coined phrase in this industry, the money is in the list and the fortune is in the follow-up. And this has the autoresponder that does the follow-up when individuals come to your ad and they hit reply and want more information, okay? So it's really quite amazing. And there's 6 simple steps you're going to follow. You definitely do not want to reinvent the wheel. You just want to follow these step by step. Very, very easy on how to use the Craigslist follow-up system, okay? Remember, folks, you're building your email list, and the fortune is in the follow-up. And this is part of the follow-up system and the follow-up process. So you just read step 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6, okay? And you just follow these exactly to a T, and it's very, very easy. You watch the video, you follow 6 steps. You do this before you post any ads, and what's really nice is GFF assigns you your own special Craigslist email address, and this is what you're going to be using when you go to create your Craigslist account for free on Craigslist.org, okay? And then what you do is you just put the email address where you want to start to receive your replies. People who are interested will respond, and you'll be getting notifications to the email address of your choice right here, okay? And let's see, this is the auto response message. So when someone hits the reply button in any of my Craigslist ads, this is what is being generated through the system on autopilot to their email address, okay? And then this is a clickable link right here. See, please click here for our 7-minute video today. And then when someone clicks there, this is hyperlinked, and I have a special funnel that I created specifically and exclusively for Craigslist, because you really want to be set up and you want everything with regards to your Craigslist marketing to be congruent, okay, for the best results. So basically when someone clicks there, bestwaytoprofits.com, okay, bestwaytoprofits.com. I'm going to put this link to my website in the description. You may need to retype it into your browser along with my contact information, which you will find on my bridge page, which again is very customized and specific to Craigslist, okay? And then there'll be a button there that's going to redirect, and it's going to take you right to my GFF updated sales page. It's absolutely amazing, folks. We have a brand new 7.5-minute VSL that was just released 1 week ago, and it is working amazingly well, okay? So this is the page, these simple lead capture pages that you're able to create unlimited amounts of, okay, within your GFF back office. Very, very easy to do so, okay? And it says, why aren't you earning on Craigslist? Earn $500 by reselling the hottest software on Craigslist, folks. This is truly one of a kind, unique, Nobody else out there has this. It's an awesome tool, folks, and it allows you to get your ads posted very cost efficiently. And when someone hits reply, that message is automatically generated and sent to their email for you. Doesn't get any easier than this, folks. A very automated, smooth, simple process. Okay, so this link's going to be below. Okay, all you have to do is enter your best email address and you'll go inside, and let me just kind of show you what this looks like. Okay, right here. Okay, see, there is my customized bridge page. And this is working really well, folks. Craigslist software puts $500 in your pocket over and over. Done for you software closes your sales, and it's really easy. 3 simple steps. You create your account, you get your marketing system, and you put the system into action with this one-of-a-kind Craigslist Auto Reply Software, and you're able to resell it and start collecting your $500 over and over again, okay? We get hot prospects coming to you, so you do not have to chase anybody down. No chasing family and friends, folks. This is direct response marketing at its best. Never have to worry about pitching family and friends ever again, and nobody has time for that, right? I'm sure you agree. So I have a specific call to action. Click the button below and watch the new 7-minute video. So this is what it looks like. See, folks, here's my contact information right here, and it'll also be in the description below. bestwaytoprofits.com. Again, you may need to type that into your browser. Just come here and click here, and you're going to be taken right to my sales page for Get Fearless Freedom with this brand new 7.5-minute VSL that's converting extremely well, folks. So you can be able to access this very system. It is absolutely wonderful. I'm so excited to be able to continue to just bring this into the marketplace, bring it here on YouTube, and share it with the masses, with the world, okay? And not to mention this coming Saturday, okay, we're going to be hosting our 3 p.m. Eastern live Zoom overview meeting where we're able to open this up to all of our prospects and leads throughout the week so that they can see this system live right on a Zoom meeting. We give a complete overview of the business. Everything is explained. We open it up for question and answer. So I would love nothing but to invite you to this upcoming Zoom meeting this coming Saturday. The link to register is going to be below in the description. OurFearlessMovement.com. So you just have to go to www.fearlessmovement.com and register, folks, okay? And this is a great way that we're able to take a percentage of our leads that we're generating throughout the week and convert a percentage into paid signups and make Get Fearless Freedom, generate Get Fearless Freedom sales of $200, $500, and $1,000 week in and week out. We have a lot of great features for you, a lot of great benefits to help you to build your business for Get Fearless Freedom. And again, on the flip side, you can use Get Fearless Freedom to advertise any of your other opportunities. So it's truly a win-win. Okay, and everything is explained right down here, folks, for you. All of the wonderful levels. You're ready to get started. You just go right here. Join here, folks, okay? And then we have another very unique, one-of-a-kind feature as well, our done-for-you email portal, okay? Where the owner goes in every single day and sends out very high-converting emails specifically and exclusively for Get Fearless Freedom on all of our behalfs, okay? On the members' behalf. So everything is explained right here. Watch this little 2-minute, 17-second video. It'll give you a sneak peek overview. Super exciting. And this is a wonderful bonus, folks. This is what I use for my regular marketing and conversions. It has a right around a 60%, 65% opt-in rate, okay? So it's amazingly working well for us, folks, okay? So every week I run traffic and I get a 60 to 65% on average opt-in conversion rate. So that's well above the industry average. So what does that mean? For every 100 clicks, I purchase 60 to 65% opt-in onto my email list and become new subscribers, folks. And that's pretty darn good. So I could not be more excited to share this with you. Again, everything's going to be below. bestwaytoprofits.com. My contact information, any questions, best way to reach me, text or call me, okay? And you also have my contact information on my bridge page. So I just showed you, what a good converting funnel looks like. This is one of my lead capture pages. This one is specifically set up for Craigslist so I can keep my marketing congruent. And that way, when I am posting on Craigslist, I am positioned for the best results and the best conversions, okay? And it's a great place to generate high quality leads at a very affordable price point, okay? So there's so many wonderful benefits. But again, just don't take my word for what I've been sharing in today's video. Come here and check out what some of our members have to say about Get Fearless Freedom and why they love it so much. We've got a boatload of testimonials. We're always adding new testimonials, so you can hear it straight from our members right here, folks, okay? So with that being said, there's also in conclusion here, frequently asked questions. You can take some time and check these out for yourself. These are our most popular, most commonly asked questions. Okay, so you can get all the latest and greatest and the updates right here. But this is what I love about this sales page, folks. This has been completely revamped, and this is a brand new VSL that is converting very, very well. Okay, this system works largely on automation. It does all the telling, selling, and explaining for us so that we don't have to. And in return, it will do the exact same thing for you when you get started. So with that being said, folks, I would love nothing more than to welcome you in advance to my team to Get Fearless Freedom. And we have 2 awesome, very active Facebook groups. We have an amazing community. We really do. We have an amazing community of wonderful, like-minded individuals. And I just invite you inside to come and take a close look for yourself. If you love what you hear and see, I really trust that you will, then let's get you going. Let's get you started today. Come on out this coming Saturday to our weekly overview Zoom meeting, 3 o'clock Eastern. And then this coming Monday, coming up, we're going to have a wonderful mastermind for our top level members. Okay, so if you get started anywhere between now and Monday evening, you will get to attend our next upcoming mastermind for the $1,000 members, folks. We host those every single month, and they are absolutely amazing. They're all recorded, and the training is uploaded inside of our back office, and it truly is next level to the max, folks. So many golden nuggets are always dropped and released on these amazing masterminds, folks. And I've been doing this a long time. I've been successfully using this very system now for the past 4 years. It's done a lot of great things for me, folks. I'm very pleased to acknowledge and report. It's enabled me to rank advance in some of my other opportunities that I have been involved with. I've been able to hit leaderboard status, all because of this awesome marketing system. It's very high converting, and it literally gives you everything you need, from resources, tools, softwares, trainings, some of the best converting capture pages in the market. Okay, and that's why we're getting such great results with Get Fearless Freedom and with our other opportunities. And it's all here, folks, for you, for the taking, so that you can get started and have the competitive edge and advantage this busy season in this wonderful home-based business industry. So with that being said, folks, thank you so much for stopping by and allowing me to continue to share with you and give you a sneak preview into the back office and to continue to talk to you about this amazing tool, folks. It works really well. You've seen the ad, you've seen the process, and this is something you're going to be able to fully access. People are loving it. A great, great way to build any business of your choice with this new Craigslist Auto Reply AI software. Okay? And you can resell it and earn yourself 100% commissions, $500 over and over again. And that adds up very nicely over time, folks, no doubt. So with that being said, thank you so much. See you soon on the inside. All my contact information is below, and I'd love to welcome you aboard. Thank you. Bye-bye.